Have you ever wondered how some people seem to make money work for them while others constantly struggle? Why do some people manage to create wealth effortlessly, while others get stuck in a paycheck-to-paycheck cycle? If you've ever asked yourself these questions, Rich Dad, Poor Dad by Robert Kiyosaki might just have the answers you're looking for. This book breaks down the key differences in mindset and approach to money between the author's two father figures, his own dad, the poor dad, and his friend's dad, the rich dad. Before we dive into the key takeaways, make sure you hit that subscribe button for more insightful content like this that can help you on your financial journey. Key takeaway 1. How to change your mindset and why it's crucial. The first big lesson from Rich Dad, Poor Dad is understanding the importance of your financial mindset. The poor dad believed in traditional education, working hard for money, and relying on job security. The rich dad, on the other hand, taught Kiyosaki that you should focus on making money work for you. The mindset shift from "I can't afford it" to "how can I afford it" changes everything. It encourages creative thinking and opens up more financial opportunities. Why is this so crucial? Because without the right mindset, even the best opportunities can slip by unnoticed. Key takeaway 2. The power of financial education. Why is financial education more important than formal education? Kiyosaki emphasizes that traditional schooling teaches you to be a good employee, but not how to achieve financial freedom. The rich dad focused on building financial intelligence, knowing how to manage money, invest, and understand taxes. The takeaway here is simple. The more you know about money, the better equipped you are to grow and protect your wealth. Key takeaway 3. Assets versus liabilities. Know the difference. How can you make your money work for you? Understanding the difference between assets and liabilities is key. An asset is something that puts money in your pocket, while a liability takes money out. The poor dad spent his income on liabilities like a house or car, thinking they were assets. The rich dad taught Kiyosaki to invest in assets like real estate, stocks, and businesses that would generate income. Why does this matter? Because by focusing on acquiring assets, you can gradually build streams of passive income and create long-term wealth. Key takeaway 4. The importance of taking risks. Why should you embrace risk? Kiyosaki highlights that wealth is rarely created by playing it safe. The poor dad avoided risks, believing that job security was the safest option. The rich dad understood that taking calculated risks, like investing in real estate or starting a business, was essential for growing wealth. The key takeaway here is to manage risk through knowledge and experience rather than avoiding it entirely. Key takeaway 5. Work to learn, not just to earn. Why is gaining skills more important than earning a paycheck? According to Kiyosaki, working for money can trap you in a cycle of dependency. Instead, focus on jobs and opportunities that teach you new skills, like sales, marketing, and investing. These skills can help you create your own wealth rather than relying on someone else to pay you. Rich Dad, Poor Dad isn't just a book about money. It's a guide to transforming your mindset and taking control of your financial future. It teaches us that with the right knowledge, we can make money work for us instead of working for money. By focusing on assets, embracing risks, and learning valuable skills, you can break free from the traditional paycheck cycle. So, which mindset will you choose? Rich Dad or Poor Dad? Let me know in the comments below. And if you found these takeaways helpful, don't forget to hit like and subscribe for more content that can change your life.